Andrew Faust here, Center for Bioregional Living. Wanted to show you an install that we did 1 year ago. I came here to do some maintenance for the client and show you some of the beautiful specimens here of this forest garden install. We put in raised beds that we created with these logs here that had been dropped on site. And then we backfilled them with a bunch of really rich soil, chips on top. And you can see 1 year later, we're already looking at peaches. Yeah. And so we have a peach tree, we have a plum, we have blueberries. Here's some more blueberry. Here's another plum. More, another peach, a blueberry, plum. And down here, before my batteries run out, I'll show you the other stage here where we have, right here we have a Nanking cherry, which we saw at the rain garden install, becoming one of our favorites. Here's an apple. These are all, he wanted some interesting cider apples and wants to open up a series of bars that serve entirely non-alcoholic drinks made from really unique types of fruits, some berries. And here's another apple, Cortland. Here's a Jonah Free. Here's our chestnut and an Asian pear right here, doing really well. And here's the European chestnut that I'm quite happy with how this is taken. And so here you can see a whole forest garden install where we made raised beds in an area that had been cleared, that 1 year later, doing great. Filled in a few of our losses with some new trees. And we're up and running with some great plantings in a southern exposed open area. So if you want anything like this done where you are, just drop us a line. We'd love to create a forest garden that's made of really great on-site materials, organically cultivated tree stocks, and bring you real abundance wherever you are.